Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out this smart inflatable pump. Couple key features that they want to point out and make sure you know. Fast inflation, smart touch screen, auto stop, and lithium battery, DC 12 volt. So let's go ahead, show you guys what you get inside the box, and then we're going to go ahead and test it out. So you get a manual. Most men don't read manuals. If you read manuals, then you are special, and that's a good thing. Because it's good to read manuals so you know what you're doing. Maybe that's why most women say most men don't know what they're doing. Anyway, let's get back to the actual review, shall we? So, if you guys watch any of my reviews, you know I love stuff that's small and compact, but not simple. So I like stuff that's simple, that's compact, but not stuff that's, you know, cheaply made, I guess you could say. This is small, compact, it's got a handle. On the back here, you have your charging port, you have your air port, you have your power port, you have your on and off button. On the top here, you have car, SUV, looks like settings for changing maybe some modes here. Up and down, play and pause. I'm so used to saying play and pause for those icons. Start and pause. So let's see what else they got. So this is something that's small, compact, simple, but full of a lot of options. I mean, I like this a lot so far. First impressions are very good on this product. Let's hope that continues through the unboxing. All right, so it is a Type-C charging. It is USB charging. So you just plug this into a USB port. You can even charge a power bank. So if you guys keep this in your vehicle and you have a solar power bank, you don't even need to connect it to anything else. You can keep it wireless, plug it in and charge it just like that. However, oh wow. Oh, I must have accidentally pressed the power button. That was actually cool. I can't wait to get to that. I actually saw colored lights. Man, you guys know I love colored lights. So you got multiple extensions on here for air. You got your air hose. And now, as I was about to say before I saw the colorful lights in it, just threw me off. You plug this in the back, and now you have 12 volt power. So you can plug this in your vehicle and run this, you know, continuously. You don't have to have anything plugged in for this to work if it's charged. So let me go ahead. Oh my goodness. Guys, check this out. I don't know if you can see the lights. That is so cool. Very nice, my friends. I love it. Love the lights. So let's see, settings. All right, so you can go from kg/cm to PSI to bar to kPa. Wow. Multiple modes. Everything is touched. So even the sound, even the beep sound sounds like it's high quality. I know, guys, I'm the only one who would pick that out. So if you set it for SUV, or if you set it for car, so you got these two different modes here. And we set it under settings. PSI. On the front, you have a battery indicator light. I mean, they thought of everything when they made this. I mean, they really did their homework. You know, it impresses me when companies actually do their homework on products that they make. So this is the air hose. So let's go ahead and see here. It looks like it's just double-ended. So you can put it on either direction. Pull this up. So there's a pin on here. Pull that up. Slide it down in. And then press down on the pin. That locks it in place. Whew. Startled me a little bit. So yeah, you guys can set your PSI. So let's say 40 PSI you set it for. You press the start button. So I'm going to show you guys this so you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. We're going to put our finger on, get the maximum pressure, and it should auto turn off. If we get, oh, there we go. So it hit it. Do it again. Just like that. And it changes colors, so it goes through colors. I mean, I really like this, guys. This is probably my most favorite air compressor that I've reviewed. And let me tell you guys something. That's saying something. I'm not normally this impressed, but you add small, you have portable, you have colors, you have multiple settings, you have auto off. What more could you guys possibly want from something? I mean, this is amazing. I love it, guys. I personally am giving it a 5-star rating. That's my personal opinion. I mean, it's so portable. This is just so portable. The only thing missing, I'm telling you guys, and is it anywhere? Hello? Hello? The only thing missing, in my personal opinion, is a carrying case. That's it. If this thing came with a carrying case, this would be like a 50 million star review. So because it doesn't come with a carrying case, so if it came with just a small hard shell carrying case, you know, about that size, just enough for you to slide it down in, and just enough for, you know, these items to slide down in, this would get a 5-star plus rating. Because it doesn't have a carrying case, I'm giving it a 4.8 stars. That's it. You know, honestly, I want to give it a 5-star even without a carrying case. You know, we're giving it a 5-star without a carrying case. That's how much I like this, that it's portable. I don't normally waste time. I mean, on and off so fast. You can turn it on and off. It's so simple. I mean, power is 120 watts, 12 volts. I love this. And I've reviewed many air compressor inflators. This is the best of the best. Absolutely. You guys hit it on the nail. I mean, this is really good. And that's my honest opinion. And we're talking, you know, I got Ryobi air compressors and stuff. You know, I've spent a lot of money on a lot of air compressors. Where has this been all my life? I mean, I've reviewed portable air compressors, but none appeal to me as much as this one.